Hey there everyone, this is Douglas Robinson with TrebuchetSoftware.com, and in this video I want to talk about directly linking to objects. Now, I saw something on the IdeaScale or Ideation Station website recently where someone asked for the ability to execute a full text search using the browser client using the URL. So more or less, they want to be able to append something to this URL up here to execute a full text search. They said like this doesn't exist. And when I looked at this, I thought, well, this does exist. In fact, I think it exists in two different ways. I believe there was an older, much longer command for it, but now there's also a simpler URL command to search for things. If you want to go directly to an object based on its rec ID, public ID, or full text, what you can do is you can type out, for example, business object name, so customer, and I believe business object ID works there as well. And then you can just put in your search text. So if I want to look for if I want to look for customers named Henry, I can do my server URL, Cherwell client, access, customer, and then Henry. And that gives me a search for customers containing the text Henry. And you'll notice containing the text. That means full text search. So any field that's marked as full text search will be searched on when you do a URL command that way. And so we can do the same thing for Andrew, for example. You notice I'm not doing the full name, just part of the name because I want it to be a full text search. And aha, that's more or less all I wanted to go over. Pretty short video. I don't think I've done a video on these new URL commands before, but it seemed like it was worth mentioning because it might be hard to find those. I'm not sure. We'll find out. Oh, well, yeah. So within the product documentation, there should be, oh, well, here's documentation for 9.7. There should be documentation for how to link within the browser client. So you can say, oh, no, here it is right here. So this says public ID. This is actually a misnomer. You can actually put any full text searchable value in right here, and it will actually search using full text. So it doesn't have to be the full public ID. It could be part of the public ID. It could be part of a different field. It should pull up when you do the search using that URL. So that makes more sense. Because I was like, I'm pretty sure I've seen this before. Do they have, if we do full text on the find in page thing, will it actually, yeah, search for text format desktop client, and then where it says parameter key. Oh yeah, so no, the documentation actually just says public ID, but you should be able to do anything on here. Like if I want to put, let's say, his phone number in here, that should work as well. I think. I don't know what format I need that in, but I would imagine. Oh, look at that. So that's the Cherwell support number, by the way. And here we can see every customer that lists that number. Oh, look at that. All right, that's all I have for this video. Thanks. Bye.